everyone, welcome back to High School Mathematics channel. Today we are going to learn Class 8, Chapter 11 Mensuration Exercise 11.1 First Sum and Second Sum. See now question number 1. A square and a rectangular field with measurements as given in the figures have the same perimeter. Which field has a larger area? See here. Here side of the square they have given as 60 meters and length of the rectangle they have given as 80 meters. First let us find perimeter of the square. We know the formula, that is 4 into side of square. That equals to 4 into side of the square they have given as 60 meters. So 4 into 60, that is 240 meters. Therefore perimeter of the square is 240 meters. See now, perimeter of rectangle formula we know 2 into length plus breadth. In the question they have given perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of rectangle. Therefore perimeter of rectangle is 240 meters. That equals to 2 into length value we know 80 meters. So 80 plus breadth value is unknown. So write down here breadth as it is. That implies 240 equals to 2 into 80 plus 2 into breadth. That implies 240 equals to 2 80s are 160 plus 2 times breadth. That implies 240. Here 160 on transposing it is minus 160. That equals to 2 times breadth. 240 minus 160 is 80. Here 2 is going to multiply. On transposing it becomes divided. So 80 by 2, that equals to breadth. Therefore breadth equals to 80 by 2. 2 table 80 is 40 times. Therefore breadth equals to 40 meters. Now we know length and breadth of rectangle and also side of the square. Using these values we shall find area of the square and area of the rectangle and find which field is having larger area. See now area of the square, that is side into side. We know side of the square, that is 60 meters. So 60 into 60, that is 3600 square meters. Now we shall find area of the rectangle, that is length into breadth. That equals to length they have given as 80 meters into we find breadth value as 40 meters. So 80 into 40, that is 3200 square meters. If we observe these both areas, we find area of the square is greater. Thus we can say area of square is larger than the area of rectangular field. See now question number 2. Mrs. Kaushik has a square plot with the measurements as shown in the figure. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. A garden is developed around the house. Find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of 55 rupees per meter square. Observe the figure. This is the square plot having measurements 25 meters. Inside the square plot she wants to construct a house. So house length is 20 meters and breadth is 15 meters. Now we have to find the total cost of developing the garden around this house at the rate of 55 rupees per meter square. Now let us see the solution. First we find the area of the square plot, that is side into side, that is 25 into 25, that is 625 square meters. Next we shall find area of the house. See now area of the house, that is a rectangle. So we know that formula length into breadth. That equals to length value they have given as 20 meters into breadth value they have given as 15 meters. So 20 into 15, that is 300 square meters or 300 meters square. Now area of the garden to be developed, how you will find means area of the square plot minus area of the house. We know area of the square plot is 625 square meters minus area of the house is 300 square meters. On subtracting both, we get area of the garden to be developed is 325 square meters or 325 meters square. They have given in the question the cost of developing the garden around the house is 55 rupees per meter square. Therefore, total cost of developing the garden of area 325 meters square is 325 into 55, that is 17,875 rupees. Therefore, total cost of developing the garden of area 325 meters square is 17,875 rupees. Today we have seen Class 8 Chapter 11 Mensuration Exercise 11.1 1-2 sums. Remaining sums we shall see in the next video. Hope this video is useful to you. Thank you for watching.